Welcome to EDU World Space.
Okay, we know that n is 10 and we know the interval width is delta x is b minus a over n, which is 5 minus 0 over 10, which is 5/10, which is the same thing as 1/2. Therefore, now what we have is we have our x's, and then we have x to the 5th times the square root of 1 plus x to the 8th. Because remember, if we had y is 1/5 x to the 5th, then we know our y prime, or the derivative, is x to the 4th. Therefore, now we know, given Simpson's rule, again, we had n is 10. I stated this at the beginning of the problem, indicating that we have 11 terms. Therefore, we have our 2 pi over 5 times delta x, which we already established is 1/2, divided by 3, times f of x0, plus 4 times f of x1, plus 2 times f of x2, plus 4 times f of x3, plus 2 times f of x4, and then we have the second row, we can do x5 through x10, so 4 times f of x5, plus 2 times f of x6, plus 4 times and again, remember, we had 11 terms, as I stated, so from x of 0 all the way to x of 10. And then lastly, it's just 1 times f of x10, so it's just the value, because we know that multiplying by 1 just gives itself. And then you're probably going to want to use a calculator for this to end up with your value, and then we can round it like this. So in other words, the solution is 1230507.2. This is what the calculator gives. Depending on how you round it and whether or not you put the decimals, it's the same answer.